Have you ever asked yourself why your vocal doesn't sound as full as you want it to? Well, you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to layer your vocals the right way to make your vocal sound as full and rich as you want it to. In this video I'm going to be showing you how we went from this
as you're walking on the mountaintop
to this.
As you're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God.
Alright, so as you can see, it's a whole lot richer, and we achieve this by layering up the vocals. Now, there are many and different ways you can actually achieve layering of vocals, but the way I'm going to show you is, first of all, we're going to have the main vocal itself, which is this one that we have right here.
As you're walking on the mountaintop.
And then we'll now go ahead and repeat the same thing twice. Okay, and the reason for doing it twice is because we take one of them to the left channel, and then we'll take the other one to the right channel just for balance. All right, so as you can see, we have these two right here.
As we're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God, Lord, I wanna be right there where you are.
They are the same thing, but one of them is just panned to the left while the other one is panned to the right. So as you can see, with the three together, we have this.
As we're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God.
And as you can see, I've also gone ahead to reduce the volume of the ones that are doubled, okay? And like I said, there are so many ways you can achieve this, and there are so many preferences which might suit you best. Okay, for your song, you might want to increase them a little bit more, okay? But in my situation, I wanted to reduce it more because I wanted this lead vocal to be more in front, kind of. All right, so next up we have the harmonies, and as you can see in this case, the singer sang the same harmony twice. Okay, one of them is panned to the left, one of them is panned to the right. Okay, also, and then you can actually do this more than twice. You can have different harmonies, you can pan them to different sides. All right, but in this case, the singer sang the same harmony and sang it twice, so I just panned one over to the left and panned the other one over to the right.
As we're walking on the mountaintop. As we're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God, Lord, I wanna be right there where you are.
All right, and then also over here at this part we have a low, a very, very low kind of tone. Our mission or our goal is to make it sound as full as possible. So one way to make it full is to actually kind of fill the whole frequency spectrum. All right, so right here we have a very, very low. She sang it in a very low tone, but I also went ahead to go and reduce it. Okay. As you're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God. So altogether we have this.
As we're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God.
All right, and then lastly, this is where you actually have a whole lot of freestyle, where you can do actually a whole lot of things, is when it comes to the ad-libs. Okay, these are just kind of some extra sounds that the vocal can just freestyle and make while the whole thing is going on. As you can see, we have two ad-libs here, and actually did two kind of similar ad-libs. Okay, and I kind of also panned one to the left and panned one to the right also. Now, like I said, you don't actually need to be always doing the panning stuff, but most of the time it's just to actually give you that kind of stereo effect, make things seem more wider. All right, so we actually have this ad libs going on right here. So as you can see, we just have that going on and on and on. Like I said, I actually reduce all these extras, okay, but sometimes you might want to make them more in front and bring them more forward. All right, but in this situation, I just wanted to keep them in the background a little bit. So all together, we have this with the whole instrumental and everything.
As you're walking on the mountaintop into the verse with love of God, Lord, I wanna be right there where you are. Wanna be right there where you are. That's the very place I wanna belong. Wrapped up in the warmness of your arms, Lord, I wanna be right inside your heart. Wanna be right inside your heart.
Okay, so let's learn. All right, guys. So as you can see, in general, adding the layers and everything to the song just make the whole song sound a whole lot bigger and a whole lot better. So when talking about making your vocals sound better, okay, another way to actually improve on the vocals actually by using autotune. All right. So I want you guys to actually check out this video where I went into details on how to autotune your vocals using the stock plugin within FL Studio called Picture. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out this video right now showing on your screen. Thanks guys for watching the video and see you in the next one.